Good morning, online owls. It's your Friday assembly with Mrs. Leach. Today is January 22nd, 2021. Let's start out by getting moving.
Yoo-hoo! Welcome back to another Brain Break, the game where we energize our body to ignite our mind. And today's game, by heavy request, is Would You Rather Roblox. You will have 10 seconds to choose between two options and 20 seconds to do the matching activity. Here we go with round one. Would you rather play simulators or obbies? If you said simulators, you get to do butt kicks. And if you said obbies, you get to do high knees. Great work. Time for round two. Would you rather play Adopt Me or Royale High? If you said Adopt Me, you get to do star jumps. And if you said Royale High, you get to do the maestro. Great work. It's time for round three. Would you rather play Escape Grandpa or Escape the Dentist? If you said Escape Grandpa, you get to do standing side crunches. And if you said Escape the Dentist, you get to skip in place. Nicely done. Time for the next round. Would you rather play Murder Mystery 2 or Work at the Pizza Place? If you said Murder Mystery 2, you get to run in place. And if you said Work at the Pizza Place, you get to do jumping jacks. Time for round five. Would you rather play Flee the Facility or Superhero Tycoon? If you said Flee the Facility, you get to hop on one foot. And if you said Superhero Tycoon, you get to do squat punches. Final round. Would you rather play Jailbreak or Meep City? If you said Jailbreak, you get to do lunges. And if you said Meep City, you get to do standing elbows to knees. Great work, my friends. Hey,
Awesome job, everybody. I hope that got some blood flowing to your brain and your thinking. Here are the announcements for today. I want to welcome our newest online owls. We're so happy to have you here. It's Spirit Day today. I hope you're wearing your crazy socks today. I'm looking forward to seeing everybody at Tinker Club on Tuesday from 12 o'clock to 12:45. You can build something, make something, or code something. I'll see you there. It's at Ask Mrs. Leach. Now I want us to just kind of calm, get some peace, and a little bit of focus.
Think about it. Sit or stand up straight. Take a deep breath and follow along. Think of a place where you know that there is a little peace, a little calm. At home, in your classroom, at a friend's house, in nature, at camp. Your body may not always be able to go to that place, but your mind can go there. Practice. Imagine that quiet place, that peaceful place. Picture what it's like to really be there. Can you see yourself? Can you feel your body there, in your peaceful place? Rest your hands. Rest your feet. Maybe let your chin drop, just a tiny bit. Be there in your mind. On the inside, you can find peace, no matter where you are. Peace out.
I hope you were able to find some peace. We want some peace and calm to help us focus for our learning today. Of course, it's time for the Friday joke. Here we go. What do you call a dog that can tell time? A watchdog. Have a great day of learning. Stay healthy and safe this weekend. See ya on Monday.